Is that super? There's no, shouldn't be anybody in there. Apparently. Apparently there's nobody in there.
Music is on. Like, full...
That's weird, because that hasn't been on all night, so we would have heard
No.
that by now. Go on, turn that off again if that's you in there. Or if you happen to be a baker, excuse me. Yeah, you try that automatic door. That's a bit strange.
That is a bit strange.
Because there isn't anybody in there, apparently. I've been told there was nobody being to...
It stopped. It stopped.
It has to.
Oh, here, come on now. Seriously.
This is great. The paranormal stuff is happening behind doors we can't get in. That's an automatic door. It keeps trying to open every time we get in.
Alright, so we just came over here to Super Quinn. Suddenly the music in the store just came on. Pretty loud, we could hear it through the doors.
And now it's
As
gone off
quick as
again.
it started, it stopped again.
I'm hearing voices. There must be cleaners in there. Somebody's talking in there. Give her a knock and see if they're answering. Is that the radio or is that